I'm looking at is to switch.
Arutani anene mathukuru-ini thiini wa gitaru kia Riftvalley ni morotetwo na banene ikirikana kugonderera wira-ini.
That will help us.
Akieria hindi ya kigomano gia gutuga arutani kuuma kuri gikundi kimwe gitari gia githirikari kiria kiuikaine ta Metro World Child. Murugamiriri munene wa githomo thiini wa gitaru giki John Ololotua augite arutani aya ni mafatie gwiciria uhoro wa tabarira ngurani iria igiteithiriria kuhura njeki mahinya ma aciari.
So I do not expect head teachers just to relax just because Metro World has come to do some feeding or given you a water tank. I would like to urge you to be very innovative, to be very creative, and particularly in ensuring sustainability. I'm happy those who are keeping rabbits or pigs, those who are keeping goats, those who have income generating activities, those who are doing something. There is something that you can do.
Nioretie arutania ya kuigiririka na kugia na ngwataniro njega na aciari niguo kuhota kuhitana na maundu maria macungagiriria ciana nyingi gutiga githomo.
We address the issue of value-based education so that our children are not involved in drugs, our children are not taking alcohol, our children are not becoming violent.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ni agathiririe wirutiri wa gikundi giki akiranira kunyita mbaru mitaratara yao kuona ni ya kiguni kuri arutwo.
Metro World is not rich. They are not rich for them to be able to support whatever they are supporting. But there is some will, that there is some desire, there is something that came into them, and that's why they are doing what they are doing.
Ona kuhanora uguo Arugamiriri a gikundi giki ni macakaite ni undu wa indo cia uteithio iria ihingiriirio gicukiro-ini kia meri mwena wa Mombasa.
Why is it that we can't get someone in the government, somebody in the system here in Kenya somewhere to say, we can open the port of Mombasa. We can get that food that Christian people are bringing in from all over the world.
Hadrini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadiro.